Leads slipping through the cracks? Not anymore. With Real Leads Finder Pro, you can use AI to find, engage, and qualify your prospects automatically. Follow-ups? Done. Missed calls? Gone. Appointment calendar? Always updated, always full. You see, AI isn't the future, it's your unfair advantage right now. Ready to turn conversations into sales? Let's go. Imagine a system that doesn't just help you generate leads. It automatically engages with every new lead, qualifies them, and moves them closer to a sale, while you focus on what you do best. That's the power of AI. This isn't some trendy buzzword. AI is your 24/7 sales co-pilot. It takes on the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that slow you down. From personalized conversations that make every prospect feel seen, to contact form automations that lead to instant follow-ups. All this while you're binging on Netflix. No more missed calls. No more follow-up fatigue. No more opportunities slipping away. Think about this. Who's handling your leads when you're not online? In lead generation, AI is a game changer. It identifies the right prospects, qualifies them based on their potential to buy, and keeps them engaged until they're ready to say yes. With the right strategy, AI can work as your personal co-pilot, supercharge your pipeline, and keep sales flowing in. At Real Leads Finder Pro, we connect you with an affordable AI marketing automation system that works like your personal sales team, freeing your time, filling your pipeline, and making sales happen faster and more consistently. AI isn't the future, it's your unfair advantage right now. Let's put it to work for you.